Welcome to the Great White North, home of the 2026 World Cup, and this!
Flav, it's summer! Put the hat away and show them the squeak!
The national dish of Canada. Let's score a flavor goal with poutine! Let's score a flavor goal with poutine!
To win this match, you need the right players. Russet potatoes are our MVPs. Russet potatoes are our MVPs.
Step 1. Chop them into thick strips. Not too thin, we need muscle. Not too thin, we need muscle. Wash them twice in cold water. We need to scout out that starch. Dry them off! Wet fries are the enemy of crunch! Dry them off! Wet fries are the enemy of crunch! Oil's at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Time for the first fry. This is just the warm-up. 10 minutes later. Take them out. They look pale, but they're getting ready. Let them rest for 10 minutes. They need to air dry for the final strike. Dry them off! Wet fries are the enemy of crunch! While they rest, let's make the gravy. Butter and flour, let's go!
Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Stir until it's brown as a Canadian bear.
1 cup of beef stock. Stir like you're rowing a canoe.
Seasoning time, beef bouillon, lots of black pepper, and a pinch of salt.
Look at that glossy gravy. It's thick, it's peppery, it's perfect. Perfect! Back to the fries. Oil up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The second fry is for the gold. Eight minutes of high-intensity frying. 8 minutes of high-ing. Look at that crunch!
Drain them and add a tiny pinch of salt. Remember, the cheese is salty too. The
assembly! Fries first, like a solid defense line.
Now the cheese curds. They've been sitting out to get extra squeaky.
Smother it! Pour that hot gravy over the top. Wait for it. Let the gravy work its magic for a minute.
It's ready!
The Canadian MVP is on the field! Crunch! Squeak! Oh, Canada!
The gravy and rich. It's a tactical masterpiece.
Is it Poutine? Putin? In Alberta, we call it booty.
Whatever you call it, it's the ultimate game day fuel.
I can't stop eating. I'm going for the clean sheet.
Watch out for the salt! Balance is key to staying in the game.
Subscribe to FlavLab World Cup flavors.
Like and share. Tell us, do you like your cheese melted or squeaky?
Let's get cooking!
Watch this chop. Time for the best part.
Watch that gravy flow. Cheers from Canada! Enjoy the World Cup! Let's create a brand new logo.
Stay squeaky.
You thought we were done? The World Cup never sleeps. We're heading to the streets of Sarajevo for the ultimate grilled treasure.